Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It is FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of these two Southwest 737 family aircraft. On the left, we have a Southwest 737 MAX 8. And on the right, we have a 737-700 in the mustard yellow colors. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. We're going to go ahead and get started with the mustard yellow 737-700. Here is the front of the box. Here are the sides. Here's the back. Let's go ahead and crack this baby on open. Okay, so here is the model. It is a very beautiful model. The mustard yellow is one of the best colorways in the sky. This aircraft is a little outdated. They just repainted it to a MAX 8. So I thought about picking it up, but right now I'm prioritizing getting more kind of fleet aircraft, like a 320 for Delta and a 321neo for United. But yeah, this is a very beautiful model. The only issue with 700s is the fact that it just does that all the time. So let's go ahead and move on to the 737 MAX 8. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the 737 MAX 8. Here's the front of the box. Here's the sides. Here's the back of the box. Let's go ahead and get this baby on opened. Alright, so here is the aircraft. I will say Gemini does a great job with the 700s, but the MAX 8, they do an even better job. This model is absolutely stunning, especially in that Southwest colorway. The blue, the red, and the gold. Especially, I love how this model has just absolutely perfect looking LEAP 1As on it. But yeah, it's a great model. It's a great fleet aircraft. I'd say if you're getting the Southwest fleet, I would definitely include the MAX 8 as one of your aircraft. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next week for a trip report. But until then, this is FunTube Aviation, signing off.